neck, knee, tummy, feet, head, neck, tummy, eyes, nose, receipt! Feet, knee, tummy, head, eyes, ears, shoulder. Alaman nila! Tummy, shoulder, knees, feet, eyes, ears, nose, money! Eyes, ears, nose, money!
Ang galing! Ang galing! Grabe talaga.
Nangingin masyado!
I'm gonna have a good day, no matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm gonna have a good day in every single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. Taking in my arms, walking through the neighborhood, living in the present, I was just a kid. I remember back when I was always alone. Now I'm standing up, look at what my heart does. Turning all things good, praise God through. Hear the church say, won't he do it? I know he's not my man. That's why I'm thinking that I'm a bad day. No matter what they say, sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day in every single way. The God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. It's a good day. No, it's great. Everything I pray for didn't come in late. I got all I need and I didn't have to wait. Ask me if you love me, didn't hesitate. Turning all things blue, gray sky blue. In the church saying, won't he do it? I know he's got my back. That's why I'm thinking that I'm about to have a good day. No matter what they say, sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day in every single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day.
Alison, one, say one, two, one, two, one. Ay, one. Ay, parang okay, sakto. Okay, so, lahat po ng one, ay parang kulang yung space natin. Lahat po ng one dito. Ayan, so, it's one versus two. Lahat po ng one. Magkakaharap po kayo. Lahat ng one, face number two. Ayan. Hindi po kayo ng kalaban. Sino yung gusto mong kuhanan ng $1 mo? Anong one siya ka? Okay, one. Ano pa kayo ng kabila? Nakakuha ko. Okay, nasa po yung one. Ayun lang din. Ayun, ayos ng building. Number one ka? Okay na, patingin kasi yun ang kalaban mo. Yan. Okay na, ma'am. Kailangan meron tayong chair. Sa taas, ay na chair na. Hindi na chair na.
Happy birthday!
head. Shoulder. For example, knee. Tummy. And then pag sinabi yung funny, una-unahan po kayo.
Pwede maubos ang pera.
Dahil isa na po yan. Una kami ng dollars ka na. And then,
Pwede mo sabihin resibo rin, ah.
yeah, receipt.
Pwede mo sabihin resibo.
Opo, and then, even though you got the receipt, you will still be so what? Kasi yung naman. Sabi lang ako ng dollars. And then, oh,
Itupi nyo kaya, ito ha. Baka mapungit eh. Baka para sila mahatak.
Isang buko. Luwan dami na
Isang dahil ako, dalawa yung kupon ng pera.
Ready? Oh, one more practice. Okay, hands up. Parang marami nangangailangan.
Money!
Sino yung mga hindi nagkakailangan? Okay, ready? Okay, head, shoulder, knee, elbow, neck. Okay,
isa lang mananalo talaga. Isa lang ang uuwi talagang masaya. Tupiin nyo kaya sa gitna, napupunit eh. Yan, ganyan, tupiin nyo.
Ready? Head, shoulder, knee, tummy, head, ears, eyes, money! Isa. Okay, saan po yung mga winner natin?
You go to finals.
Okay, go. Maiba. Maiba, panalo. Okay, Maiba, panalo. Ay, sige na.
Congratulations! You're going to the finals.
Okay, okay. Okay, ready? Pakilagay mo yung pera natin. Bigyan mo na sa ato. Senior ka naman. Hoy, magkano na yan?
Ayun yung tupiin sa gitna, baka mapunit.
Ay, okay. Okay, okay po natin.
Tupiin nyo sa gitna para di mapunit.
Hindi daw kaso sa kamay. Ang dami.
Ba-
Limpak-limpak. Wow.
Baka hindi mapakinabangan eh. Next year, 100 na.
Baka po, baka masakit.
Baka masakit.
Baka umuwi na kulang na yung pagpuro katawan. Okay, ready? Mamaya, you wanna play? Mamaya yung championship. Nakatayo ka dito. Okay, isa na doon sa kanto.
Hindi, simula mo na dito. Patalikurin mo sila.
Okay.
Oo.
Tayo ka na lang sa ni Pastor.
Yan. Kasi, Semi-finals na eh. Semi-finals na. Teka. Pagpipray ko muna kay Lord, sana wag mahati. Wag mahati yung simbahan namin sa Wandala. Ay, mag-church kayo bukas.
Okay, ready? Malayo po kayo ng konti kasi tatalino pa kayo eh. Yan, okay. Ready? Gusto niyo po Tagalog naman? English. Head, shoulder, neck, knee, tummy, feet, head, neck, tummy, eyes, nose, receive! Okay, sila ang maglalaban.
Semi-finals.
Kanina magkakapi-kapi. Kami na maglalaban.
Sama mo na yung kay Tita Daisy. Sama mo na. Hindi, dun din naman punta niyan eh.
Oo, para talikod na. Talikod. Dapat tumayo pa hanggang siya. Walang titingin. Sis, gusto mo cliche? Ako siya sa labas. Walang titingin ah. Doon tingin. Ay, nawala yung pera. Wala yung pera.
Atras ka pang konti. Yan.
Sino kayo mananalo?
Palakpakan!
Lalayo tayo, baka mamaya maabot. Okay.
Baka matalsikan kayo ng dugo.
Head, feet, knees, elbow, tummy, hair, ears, nose, eyes, knees, feet, money! Oo, sige na. Tita Daisy. Sa kalaban. Ang dami. Iba talaga pag pera ng ang dami na ang kailangan. Ang pala, Rina. Ayan. Kaya mo na, Tita Daisy. Magaling ka rin.
From...
Sabi mo Tita Daisy, pigay mo na. Influencer ko kayo dito, hawak ka. Ayaw ko bigay, no?
From Visayan Region.
Okay, lagi. Sino kaya ang uuwi nito? Luhaan at silang pasaya. Ready po? Eyes, ears, nose, money! Message mo para sa kanila.
Isa pa, isang game pa.
Sabi mo salamat sa wala.
Salamat po sa mga container nyo.
Hindi na po tayo magpa-practice. Alam niyo na.
No practice, go!
Okay, practice na. Practice. Kailangan lang. What's the next? Mamaya nakatabi. Ay, pagay na yun. Okay, let's go. Ready? Okay, hands up. Hands up.
Hands up!
Knees. Go. Tummy. Head. Shoulder. Feet. Knees. Head. Shoulder. Money. Kahit man sabihin mo, resibo, pero tama, halimbawa, resibo yung sinasabi ko. Okay, so, lahat po na, lahat po yung ating $1 sa chair. Magkapapag yung $2 sa yan. Ano po yan? Pero, lalagyan natin ng panggulo. Lalagyan natin ng resibo. Isang money, isang resibo. So, ang mangyayari po dyan, sabihin ko, hawakan natin part ng body natin like head, shoulder. For example, knee. Eyes. Money! Okay, what is this?
Tama na.
Sample po tayo. Are you ready? Practice lang, practice. Ay, susana.